Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today's DIY is the most fun and cute DIY I ever made. It's all about turning your boring notebooks and paper pads into pretty and glittery. So let's get started. Our first DIY is to turn this boring looking paper pad into this. All you need is a paper pad and a few tapes of your choice. I use 2 tapes over here. You can use one or more than one tape or just full tape. Use your creativity. Stick the tapes this way to make it look clean and neat. After you're done, flip the cover and stick the extra tape to the back of the book. Now let's cover it up by sticking the first page to it. Apply some glue and stick it. That's it, you're done. It hardly takes any time and look at it. It looks so nice and cool. Now for the second DIY, we are going to make this pretty pink paper bag. So let's get started. Take a paper pad and few glitter sheets. Now place the book over the sheet and trace it with a pen. Now cut it with blades or scissors. If you are a kid, please take adult supervision to do it. Now glue the sheet to the book. Glue it over the back side too. And you're done. Well, not yet, until we put these cute little stickers over it. To give it some dimensions, I added double-sided tape. Now you're done. Doesn't it look so pretty and glittery? Who wouldn't want to write their notes in such magical looking notebook, right? Now for the last DIY. I made this green glittered notebook with this radium sticker over it. Take a notebook and stick the green glitter sheet. You can use whatever color you want, blue, red, yellow, your choice. stick it both the sides. Now this is the fun part. I have loads of fun animal radium stickers. But I picked this tall giraffe sticker to cover up the maximum space. But I do love to use all of them. I used hot glue to stick as they won't properly stick to the glitter sheet. Lastly, I have used this golden alphabet sheet. I pulled out few letters and sticked over it to make it look more creative. You can use your names or anything. And that's it, you're done. Don't you love it? Now your glowing radium book will glow in the dark and will haunt you to finish your homework. Just kidding. But you know what to do, right? Go and click that subscribe button as soon as you can and be a part of the family. I'm soon going to announce a giveaway, so stay tuned to it and you don't want to miss it. So be happy and go crafting. Bye bye. Meet you in my next DIY.